Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes as we take a look at the severe weather threat that covers a good portion of the eastern United States. This evening, we have severe thunderstorm watches up from western New York across much of Pennsylvania and New Jersey, down into Maryland and Virginia, and even into western North Carolina. That's all inside a slight to enhance risk of severe weather that was indicated by the Storm Prediction Center earlier today. We are setting up with a warm sector. There's a warm front that lies just across central Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey to about New York City, southern New England, or at least just south of Connecticut. And that front is pushing northward. We've got a cold front to the west that's pushing eastward. And in that warm sector area that we've showed you here, this area here, this is where we are seeing some thunderstorms. And as the warm front advances northward, also that area that's up in western New York and the rest of central Pennsylvania, that is under a severe thunderstorm watch. So we're going to take a look at let's look at the satellite loop this evening. And you can see the cluster of thunderstorms. I'll just give it a quick refresh here. And these are all lightning strikes. So there's been numerous lightning strikes across northern New Jersey, now crossing over into the New York side and northeastern Pennsylvania. Some cells also up into northwest Connecticut. Also, notice that we're seeing some thunderstorms and lightning strikes now firing up in western Maryland down into western Virginia. And that's part of that watch that extends down all the way into western North Carolina. A new line is going to be forming there. And the radar as of 5 p.m. Eastern Time showing a cluster of showers and thunderstorms and some severe thunderstorm warnings that have popped up here and there in areas from northern New Jersey and points northward. Then you've got the second area down in Virginia where we're seeing several severe thunderstorm warnings that have popped up there. Please bear in mind that if you're watching this later on this evening, obviously the radars and satellites are dated, as is the severe weather information. So please go to weather.gov to your local National Weather Service forecast office for the latest weather information regarding severe weather. The HRRR model probably has the best idea here in terms of how this is all evolving this evening. You can see the line from the Hudson Valley down into western New Jersey, the second area that forms in Virginia and North Carolina that exits out to the east. Everything should be moving offshore tonight and then further east into tomorrow morning. There's actually some showers late tonight over parts of Long Island and southern Connecticut before they wind down. This is also, again, one of those instances where you have to give a broad brush in terms of where the potential for severe weather is, and then you just watch the radars to see how it all evolves going forward. Now, as far as the outlook for the rest of the week is concerned, here's our system moving offshore, the showers and storms moving offshore, but there's still a low center back over Lake Erie tomorrow morning. So there's an upper trough that's going to be swinging through, and that could fire up some showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and evening. And we do have for coastal areas from New Jersey southward into North Carolina, a marginal risk of severe weather being indicated by the Storm Prediction Center. Then that goes out. So tomorrow's going to be another warm and somewhat humid day. Wednesday, we begin to start to see the upper trough move further east. So there might be one more shot for some thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening in some areas from western New England down through New Jersey, and then those will move away. Thursday and Friday actually look like they could be thunderstorm-free days, and temperatures will be in the cooler upper 70s and low 80s, and I think the humidity levels will be lower as well. As we start to look ahead to the weekend, the chance for showers and storms will return again on Saturday as a weak system goes by. And then we'll have the chance for showers and storms again on Sunday as another system approaches with a weather front that'll move through Sunday evening. And if we want to take an early look at early next week going into the 4th of July, Monday actually looks dry. And Tuesday, the 4th of July, looks like a nice, dry, and warm day with temperatures about where they should be for this time of year and humidity levels that I guess might be considered somewhat reasonable. We're going to be talking all about this and much more tonight on the Joe and Joe Weather Show at 7:35 p.m. on my YouTube channel. We hope to see you then.